Chad, is that you?
Yes, sir, Mr. Vanderbilt.
Come on in. Please have a seat. Well, looks like you got quite a bit of experience in customer service at Cinnabon, Orange Julius, and Hot Dog on a Stick. What have you been up to these days?
Well, after my football injury, I had to go back to school. I was working on my AA over at a junior college. Then I, knocked up my girlfriend, who's now my wife. So, with the kid on the way, I'm out here looking for a job.
With an extensive resume like this, I don't see a problem hiring you. Welcome aboard.
Thanks so much, Mr. Vanderbilt. So apparently, Bill had a heart attack. That makes me the new manager for Totally Rad Pagers. Now I have like a list of people that I need to interview.